Hey folks, this is Gray here, and folks, it's the end. Well, it's the end of 2023, and man, has it been a year. Folks, we've seen so many things happen over the last year. It's been quite the ride, per se, right? We've had things from, the Maui fires. We've had massive riots and protests. We've had, train derailments, chemical spills, propane plants exploding, massive tornadoes, massive rains and hail, all kinds of different weather phenomena. Many, many people throughout the year have lost their lives in some of these situations. And just to touch on just a couple of those things, outside of that, we have the war in Ukraine. We have the war over in the Middle East and Israel and Hamas. And things don't seem to be slowing down. Things seem to keep on escalating and escalating as we move into 2024. So, folks, I just wanted to come on here and just touch on a couple of those things. It's not going to be a long video. I haven't done a video since right before Christmas. I wanted to wish everyone a happy New Year's, a safe New Year's, as we look forward into 2024. There's the good, the bad, and the ugly. As you saw, I went over some of the bad and the ugly already. Some of the positive notes, some people have made connections through my channel. We have things to look forward to in 2024 on the channel. We get to see the garden continue to grow and learning different tips and skill sets in regards to self-sufficiency. We've learned about why is it important to be prepared and how to look at preparedness from different angles to feel what fits best for you. It's not a cookie cutter kind of situation. Everyone's situation is different, being where they live in the country or in the world, as well as where they live geographically and what towns, rural, city, suburbs, and so on and so forth. So for me and my family, the wife, she had some time off, and we had family over. It was an amazing Christmas, so I decided to take the end of the year kind of holiday away from YouTube and most things in general, just because sometimes you just got to take a small break when it comes to things, be it if you're here on YouTube, your job, or in life. You just got to step away from things for some time and enjoy the most important and precious things in your life, being hopefully your family, your loved ones, friends, whatever you consider to be most important to you. Moving forward in 2024, we have lots of things going on the channel. Some really, really great things that are going to be happening this year in regards to companies I'm working with, some of the things I'll be doing for you, my viewers, as always throughout the year. Like I said, we'll be doing the gardening. We'll be doing some awesome prepper pantry hauls. We're going to be doing a pantry tour and overhaul. We got that on the books. So many different things. We've grown here in the Grey community almost over 11,000 new subscribers this year. God bless all of you for all your support. I mean, man, that's just amazing to have grown that much over the past year. So great to see all you new faces when we're on. Well, I guess they're not faces, but all your handles on YouTube when we do the live streams. We'll be continuing to do Welcome to the Apocalypse with myself and Rudy the Alaska Prepper, moving into 2024, bringing you the crazy headlines that may present itself. We got some other ideas and things that we're going to be sharing with you folks and mixing into our shows that are on Monday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if I recall correctly. So a lot to look forward to moving into 2024. That being said, folks, we are moving into an election year. And if you folks know better than anybody out there on the YouTube land what it means to be in an election year, we're going to see some crazy things. From what you see, that kind of like the writing on the wall as they're, certain sides are attacking other sides in regards to trying to remove other presidential candidates off a ballot, the infighting with our, Congress, Republicans versus Republicans, Democrats versus Democrats, Democrats versus Republicans, and it's just a nasty mess. And moving forward, in any election year, things always get crazy. We've seen, like I said, we've seen the economy do so much, rubber banding, from if you're into the stock market or precious metals and all the things that have culminated over the last year, and even previous years. It just seems to be getting worse and worse and worse. We always hope and look forward to that each year will become better, but moving forward into 2024, I have a poor outlook on what's to transpire in our country and abroad. A lot of people feel that what's happening in the Middle East will expand. What's happening in Ukraine will come full head. America's involvement and all those other things, as rather the NATO country, it's just getting absolutely crazy. And we're going to see a lot of different things. I mean, we even have scientists out there predicting that we're going to lose the internet for a minimum of a couple of weeks to possibly longer due to the sun's cycle in regards to coronal mass ejections and solar storms and whatnot. Now, don't quote me. I'm no expert, and I'm not predicting anything. These are things that have been discussed over 2023 and papers and periodicals and scientists, trying to say, hey, this is what we see this happening. Did you see the tear in the sun? And it's something that the sun does. It's, the solar cycles and whatnot. But these are things as folks in regards to emergency preparedness that we need to keep an eye on. So I'm assuming we'll see lots of interesting things, unveil themselves. Who knows? It's always hard to predict what we're going to see moving forward. Everything has been just getting a lot more complex all over the country and abroad as well. There's a lot of things, this winter is just beginning. We're in the end of December, moving into January. And some people are warmer than normal. Some people are colder than normal. Some people are wetter or drier, which is going to affect our crops, the yields, pushing into once, the winter does its thing. We haven't seen any crazy major blizzards yet. We've seen one or two small situations arise, but according to the Farmer's Almanac, as well as, Ryan Hall, one of the YouTubers that I watch in regards to weather phenomenon. He's a pretty good guy, and some of his predictions have come pretty close in regards to his forecasting. But folks, buckle your seatbelt, hold on to your pants, and let's take this journey together in regards to what's happening in 2024. Other than that, folks, I don't want to keep you long. I know some of you folks are, getting together with family and loved ones and bringing in the new year together, and other folks are just going to bed at 9 o'clock as usual. Because it's just another day to them. Regardless of what you're doing, I want to wish everyone a happy new year, a safe new year. And folks, if you are new to the channel and any of that kind of, stuff, you just come across my channel or channels like it, just take, try to understand why we do what we do as preppers. We're not the crazy folks that they make us out to be. We're just trying to protect our families and the safety of others, and trying to spread the information of preparedness. A lot of other governments out there do so in regards to being prepared for something small, some mid-size, and something on a larger scale. You just never know what's going to happen when you wake up that morning and you turn on the news, walk out that door, and say, hello world, here I am. So other than that, folks, again, wishing everyone a blessed new year. Be safe out there. Stay prepared. And look forward to seeing everyone in 2024, which is just right around the corner. And I'll be back to regular scheduled programming. Basically, we're back to the live streams. We'll be back to, the garden videos, the pantry hauls, the gear reviews. We got all kinds of stuff on the books. Some stuff that may just irate people. Some stuff that people may just love. I like to mix it up a bit and have a little bit of fun. Just stay true to yourself and enjoy every moment that you can. All the little happy moments that come to present itself throughout your days, your weeks, your months, and your years. Other than that, I'm going to actually finally wrap this up because I can hear my wife, kind of saying, hey, let's go. Anyways, folks, God bless. Again, thank you for watching. And folks, please remember, folks, You are not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. I'll see you guys next year in 2024. All right. This is Grey signing off for 2023. Happy New Year's.